I'll start a quick tutorial on the dashboards. So a couple basic features that you have are administration, you have users, you have the ability to manage dashboards, and you can also see what curves that you have streaming in from sensor data. So we'll just get right into it and just show you a couple of dashboard features that are unique to this platform. You have the ability to create dashboards and logarithmic widgets in a vertical or horizontal sense. You have the ability to label these individually, change the labels, determine which curves that you want to see, which ones that you want visible and invisible. You also have the ability to set threshold limits, set indications, notifications that would show you that there's an event that happened within a certain milestone. There's numeric widgets. You have the ability to edit this at any time, resize these widgets as you see fit, as you need to, and you can add other widgets. We have a list of widgets that you can add to the system. This enables pretty good flexibility. You can build multiple widgets, you can build multiple dashboards, and it gives you the ability to change this to any way you see fit, any way you need to see it, any way you want to see it. You can zoom in, you can scroll backwards, you can scroll forwards through your data. At any point in here will show you what the data is doing at a certain point. If you click and scroll, you can see that you can go into macro detail on the data. There's another way to view there's a more historical way to see this. If you like the widgets to be in a vertical sense, you can definitely see that and build that in here. You can clone these dashboards. There's ability to clone them. Right here you'll see clone, so I can clone this dashboard. I can publish it to a group, and that way you can, in the administration, you can create your teams, and then you can control who sees this data. There's a lot of features in this system, a lot of ways to create multiple different dashboards. You can create a dashboard with multiple views, so you could view 2 different projects at one time. You can create dashboards and then change them. It's very user-friendly to add numeric widgets, resize those widgets to any size that you want, any configuration that you want. And then you can go about your business by tagging teammates. You can share this dashboard with your teammates, and then this gets distributed instantly throughout your organization. So in here there's curves that are available for you to I'll just go through some of these, but you can see that if you want average ROP in any of these, or you can see there's an average ROP there. Just save that, and you can look through any curve that you have connected. You have the ability to look at different well bores and connect to different well bores in here by going to the sources, and you can see the sources that are live and active will show green. You can change these sources between different projects that you have very easily. You can see comments, and you have the ability to manage your dashboards through this interactive. You can change the status of it. At any given time you can edit that dashboard, change the icons, or change the name. And you can also change it multiple displays if you wish to do so. So that's it. Thanks for joining us. Again, contact us at wellsite.com if you have any questions. Thank you.